Today we're showing you a 2017 John Deere 5100E. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab heat and air. The tractor comes with the 540M quick attach front end loader. Has just over 1,000 hours, and the tractor does have the 24 speed transmission, which gives you that power high-low, which is the a little bit more desired transmission in these 5E series tractors. So very nice transmission. Again, it does have the 540M loader, which is the heavier duty loader for these tractors. Has this global style carrier here for your bucket connection. Bucket's in real nice shape. Does have front grill guard. Paint's in nice shape on the tractor. Has the mirrors on both sides of the cab. Brand new front tires up front here. They are radials in the front. Back tires are in good shape yet. Work lights in front and back of the cab. Triple remotes back here. Top link and drawbar both with the machine. Has a stabilizer bars. 540 and 540E PTO. If you're looking for a nice haying tractor, nice feeding tractor, anything to that nature, certainly a really nice fit here. Inside the cab, it's nice and clean in here. Does have the tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand power reverser allows you to change direction without clutching. And again, it does have the 24-speed transmission. What that translates to is 3 ranges on this lever, 4 gears on this lever, which gives you a total of 12 speeds. And then the power high-low, which are on these buttons, splits every gear, which gives you total of 24 speeds, and the power high-low can be shifted without clutching on these buttons. So real nice transmission, especially if you're baling hay or anything to that nature. All your PTO 3-point hydraulic controls located directly to the right of the seat. Very user-friendly. Radio, climate controls, rear view mirror, sun visor, all up top there. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used machines, please contact us at masttractor.com.